And don't forget anything, right? Okay. Okay, we have here KTouch control system demonstrated. The system by itself is actually controlling through these devices, including the keypad, over the LAN, to anything over the LAN. So if it's only Ethernet, you need nothing, it's just the software over here, and you control anything over the LAN connected. And if it has a non-IP or non-Ethernet connectivity, then we have a gateway, I/O gateway, just like this one, from Ethernet to 2 serials, Ethernet, 2 serials, 4 IRs, which is this one, and this one, in addition, has 2 relays and 2 GPIOs, which is this one.
What's the purpose of IR and the GPIOs?
Let me go by each of them.
Okay.
Serial, you have RS485 for having many devices in one line.
Like
control,
devices
like displays, like you can have on and off many devices. Typically those devices like projectors, you have the devices over there like projectors or DVDs or AV devices. AV devices that have serial RS232, sorry. And then you send a command and you get a response. You get a feedback saying, okay, I'm on, I'm off. This is my volume. This is all these responses. You get that. And IR is for controlling typically DVDs, TVs, something with remote. Anything with remote. Typically you'll find many residential devices which are by remote. Easiest. You can learn the remote over here. You can learn the remote over here with the remote. Put it into an XML file, upload over here, and you have the remote. So whatever remote, you can learn it and control it. GPIOs is used as an input typically for sensors, as an output for door locks, for things like that. And it has
the motion sensor.
Motion sensor would send you. Yes, there is a motion. One, it's actually high and low, digital. When you say digital input, it's either 1 or 0. So you get a 1, okay, there is a motion. You get 0, no motion. Things like that. And the same with door locks. Lock the door. And there is an analog for volume control, things like that. Relay for shades, screens, for blanks, blinds, okay? So, and gates, things like that. Okay, you close it, and it's closed the whole thing. So, this is what you do over here. So whenever I press for a display, let's say a camera, an IR camera, okay? I press over here, a message is going over the LAN, goes over here, translated to IR, and here I have the LED instead. Okay, a feedback is coming from here to all connected devices. So you see I pressed over here, you see this one is pressed as well, this one is pressed as well, and this one is pressed as well. Okay, and I can press this one and it will work again because they are in sync. So if you have a boardroom like that, you can have this one on the table for the boardroom for the meetings, and you can have this one with all on, all off for the cleaner. so they can use it. Okay. How do we program the whole thing? This is over the LAN. We program it over the cloud, over the internet, in the office. So you manage all the projects over here with the users and manage all your accounts. And here I am in a specific. These are the projects. I got to my project. I drag the background, the buttons that I would like, all the graphics, logo. You can upload logo over here. You drag them all. Once you have that, you take from the database, you take the device drivers that you would like to use and the feedbacks for the specific display projector that you're using. And from over there are commands like put the light on, put the light off, put the projector on, put the projector off, things like that. And you have logic, if then else, all this one, you drag it. So you say, okay, if I press this one, this key, put on the projector, take the screen down, lock the door, whatever is needed. You have just like this one. You see the logics over here. Wow. You see the logic over there? If a variable is like that, close the relay, do some things. Okay? All of that is you're doing over here. You save it, you go over here, you sync it, and you're done. And you're done. From there on, this can work independently. Okay?
Do you have any schematic here? Maybe